You got the house. Now, it's time to own the backyard. We're building something primal today, a fire pit. No contractor, no BS. Just you, your hands, and a few tools. This is the weekend project that turns a plain yard into the hangout spot your friends won't shut up about. Step 1. What you don't need a truckload of tools, just these 36 retaining wall blocks. Otherwise, fire pit stones are suitable as well. 4-5 bags, all-purpose gravel, 2 bags of sand, a good shovel, bubble level, a flat piece of wood, or tamping. Optional equipment would be a fire ring insert. Pick a clear area, at least 10 feet from any structure or tree. Trust me, don't be that guy with the scorched fence. Step 2. Mark the space. Lay out your first ring of blocks where you want your pit. This is your outline and important, so make sure you like how the base layer of blocks is oriented as a stick, string, and spray paint to mark the circle. It should be 3-4 feet wide, big enough for flames, not chaos. So take it easy, unless you want a neighborhood nickname like Firebug. Step 3. Dig it out. Dig about 6 inches deep within the circle. Keep the bottom as flat as possible. This is the base. Like anything in life, if the foundation sucks, the whole thing crumbles. Step 4. Add a few inches of gravel. Tamp it down. Add a thin layer of sand. Tamp it again. Use your level. You want this to be as flat as your grandma's kitchen table. The second ring, offset the joints like bricks. Staggered equals stronger. Use construction adhesive if you want extra strength. Step 6. Finish strong. Drop in your fire ring if you're using one. Toss in some lava rocks or gravel in the center. Done. This isn't just a fire pit. This is where beers are cracked, stories are told, and memories get made. You built that. You own that. Respect. If this helped you, hit like. If you're proud of what you just built, hit subscribe. More DIYs that make your house feel like yours coming every week. This isn't just a project. It's a lifestyle.